Hello and welcome to the next AML Bitcoin tutorial where we will show you how to transfer ownership of your digital asset. Did you know that you can transfer ownership of your digital asset? Well, we'll show it to you in the next 30 seconds. Let's just say you create a coin and named it Tesla coin, like we just did here. Now, one of two things could happen. Either Elon Musk or one of his team reaches out to you and says we like the AML platform and we'd love to acquire the name rights from you. Or B, they could say, hey, you're infringing on our trademark. Then you have the option of transferring ownership over to them. Whether you want to sell or give it to them for free is obviously up to you. All you have to do is go to My Assets, Ownership and Rename. Here you can see our Tesla coin. You go to Ownership. You put in the wallet ID from Elon Musk or one of his team. And then you go to Transfer. And now Tesla could either approve or reject the ownership. If you do not want to transfer the ownership, or if you just want to change the name of your digital asset for whatever reason, you can do so up to 3 times without having to reissue any of your digital assets to your clients. All you have to do is click Rename, put in your new asset abbreviation, put in your new asset name, you go to Rename, boom, done, all good, and your asset will be renamed. We hope you enjoyed this video. Just know that the AML Bitcoin team is continuously working on technology and we have some major updates coming in the very near future.